name is Noela, and I am the host of the radio show СЛУШНЕТЕ НЕЕЕЕ, which is in the radio УКЛО ФМ 98,8 MHz of University St. Климент Охридски, University Битола. And on it, it says, I love УКЛО. And then I, of course, am in the event Western Balkan Alumni Association. Shortcut, WBAA. WBAA. Name?
Gereon. Gereon.
Gereon. No, Gereon. What was your favorite?
Child, I think banana.
Banana. Okay.
Banana.
I meant Weber meeting.
You know, Weber is supported by the European Commission, and they contracted a service provider to help the Weber volunteers like you. And I'm working for a service provider supporting Weber.
Right. Young people and older people.
Two things. Learn foreign languages like you do, because this gives you the chance to communicate with all people around the world, visit other countries, get cultural exposure, make friends all around the world, and work together on a better future without any wars and with peace.
Card.
УКЛО Press Ноела Нечкоска, the radio host, and that's it on the other side.
And what's your message to the universities in the
Bring your students to do an exchange in another country. If I would have the power, I would do it obligatory for all students to be at least one semester abroad. If I would have the power.
I do agree.
Na, was war deine Lieblingsfrucht als Kind?
Apfel.
Apfel. We have the best apples in Germany.
In Macedonia.
No.
In Macedonia. We have to compete.
About the apple? Okay, we'll do so.
Thank you.
You're welcome.